Just like that, your boy looking all nice and pretty. Anyway, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Right now, you just saw the taking off the card cover off the Type R. This is actually my first time ever using it, brand new. Let's check out the Type R right now. Oh man, this thing is looking oh so pretty. Homeboy did an amazing job. Long story short, if you guys don't know, this has been heavily sandblasted due to living in this beautiful desert. So, yeah. Even the Night Runner International license plate was like white. It was all messed up. Well, today we're gonna get to a few mods. Nothing too major, but pretty much we're going to be installing these LED turn signal lights that I got from Amazon for the cheap. You know, they're not the Suma kind, but they look like it. But you know, this is a area where I didn't want to spend too much, only because like I'm just gonna probably just get rid of it anyway. You know, wheel fitment in the future. But yeah, today pretty much we're gonna do a little install. I got some custom made green vinyl film from Lamin-X. Pretty much got green side marker cutouts, and these are for the rear whatchamacallits, reflectors, the rear reflectors. So pretty much I'm excited to get this going finally. So yeah, no talk, let's get to it. Alright, so pretty much right here, just gonna get the side markers out, little installation guide. Look into that a little later. So right here, got one of them right here. It's pretty sick. On my old Civic FK7 hatchback, I had smoked side markers on that one, and it was all smoked, and it just had the LED in the middle, that straight one. So I'm doing a little different approach now that I have a white car. Doing the whole white whole thing. I like that look where it's just all lit up. So first, we're actually gonna be installing these things, the vinyl, because you don't wanna. It's just better to lay it first with the product, you know, free of its casing, not attached to the car. Now, in case you're wondering what this excess is, it's literally just that. It's just excess material to wrap over, hold on to it, whatever. Let's just go for it. Send it. Good enough. There are some like air pockets that I'm trying, but maybe in due time, maybe with the heat it can dissipate a little more, but right now it's just not working out. But hardly noticeable unless you're up close, so but whatever, it is what it is. On to the next one. I think this one came out a little cleaner. Oh yeah. Alright, so that pretty much goes for the side markers here. There we go. There it is. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Pretty unique, different. Hopefully you don't get pulled over. Nah, but I don't see why you couldn't run these. Hopefully, I mean, shouldn't get too much attention, but we'll see. Alright, so pretty much with that out of the way, we're gonna go and open the hood, aka bonnet, like so. Now we have access to some of the wiring we're gonna be doing through here. Alright, so first step, we're gonna turn the wheel to the left because we're gonna be working on this side. So let's get to that real quick. Alright, so pretty much now that we have more access to the area that we're going to be getting to, aka side marker, I'm just going to go right below here. So yeah, let's see here. So yeah, you're going to want to get access to these bolts here and get behind here so you can unclip it, and it's pretty easy. Alright, so pretty much for the next step, you're going to want to remove the bulb from the socket here, this adapter, and you're going to want to put this connection right here from the side marker right here into this slot here, like so, just like that. Boom. And you're gonna wanna basically connect this right over here. Well, first you're gonna wanna stick this in. So fast forward to my MacGyver skills. We're just gonna fish this all the way up here, like so. Oh, there it is. And there we go. Attach it like so. Oh, no, you didn't. Oh, just caught, just barely caught. Alright, so yeah, that's what ended up happening. Let's just take a moment real quick. What in the world? Real quick, just let me know in the comments below like what you think about the green on the white. I mean, pretty unique. Damn, I love it. Sick. Alright, so right here, we're just gonna get some excess wire off, and to do that, you might want to get your handy dandy electrician's tool to splice it open. So I'm just gonna unravel it. Boom, boom. A lot of excess wire. Pretty much about that much, I would say. Some more MacGyver moves. just so it's a better finish and it's not like hanging over anything. It's more flush. I just tucked it in right here. Alright, so pretty much right here. This is where I fed it through that gap right there. For a more clean look, so nothing's hanging over. So we'll just get right to the source. Oh yeah, pretty much, yeah. So this is the plug that you're gonna be disconnecting, like so. So pretty much there's like a tab right here and below. Right. Pull that. Boom. So yeah, this is what the module looks like on this side. So for the passenger side, for the right side, it is gonna be that green right there. So we're gonna do a little testing on the blinker right now though. You're gonna wanna access right there. Right there in that top second to left port. It is matching to that green right there. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so pretty much we're gonna just cut up to right here. So what I did, I made sure there's a little bit of slack on the inside of the fender there and lined it up just to give it an inch above the wire adapter for the headlights as well. So I'm just gonna boom, just like so. And so right here, we're just gonna cut a little pinch of it. Oh, fuck. Oh yeah, it doesn't do it justice. There you go. That's more like it. Pretty much you're gonna want to tap into this wire housing right here. So since it looks like it's running on top, maybe you just want to splice right here on top. Just get a little utensil here. Try not to cut the wire itself or any others around it. Alright, so from right here, we're gonna expose some of the wire here. And just gonna make sure we have the correct slack before cutting. Always measure twice, cut once, right? So pretty much you're gonna want to verify that it works. So it's all spliced in, push down like so. Verify, turn it on. Boom. Works. Pretty much just gonna wrap it up, seal it, and go on to the other side. Yeah, just a quick reminder, you're gonna wanna get some electrical tape and just, make sure to cover any of the wire housing that it came with, the black plastic part, and just want to seal it off and tuck all the excess wire as well from the red wire. Make sure that's all legit and tucked away nicely, you know. Alright, so now that we're on the other side, we're gonna turn the wheel to the right now and expose this area down below. Alright, so from right here, this is where I fed it through this crack here. And so for this side, you're gonna be looking for the blue wire. Yes, that's second from top. If you wanna verify, it's right there. So make sure once you're all done clamping it, the blue connector, let's just test the turn signal to see if it works before officially closing it all and wrapping this project up. Just did a test and everything's all good. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the final product. Looped it right here, secured it down here. Boom. Yeah, that's it. We are done. Just move this out of the way. Yeah. So happy to finally have these on. So pretty much for this next part, I'm just gonna clean up a little bit of the engine bay as it needs a little bit of TLC, you know. I'm just gonna use these as just something to clean it with. It's gonna get dirty again, especially in this desert. That wraps up our video for today. Hopefully you like it, the side marker install, the whole installation video. Hopefully you could take notes from this, from the rest of the other videos that are out there. Please again, like and subscribe this video if you enjoy what you watched, and hopefully you like the content that I provided for you today. Still getting used to this whole lingo for outros and intros, all that stuff, but you know, you're here to watch me grow and build this channel, you know. So, but no, yeah, again, shout out to all the YouTube video vloggers out there who are also just major car enthusiasts and just showcasing their build to the rest of the world. Big up to you guys. Gotta support each other and help this whole community grow, you know. That's how I feel anyway. So, you know, Again, let's just take a look at the type art one more time.